Welcome to our comparison between VEA and VWO, two leading platforms in the world of A/B testing. Let's start with the features. VEA, or Visual Website Optimizer, provides an easy-to-use interface that allows for A/B testing, multivariate testing, and split URL testing. On the other hand, VWO, or Visual Website Optimizer, offers the same testing capabilities and additionally includes features like heat maps, session recordings, and surveys. VWO's additional features provide more comprehensive data analysis tools. Now, let's talk about pricing. VEA's pricing is based on the number of visitors to your site and starts at around $49 per month. VWO's pricing is also based on the number of visitors and starts at $109 per month. However, VWO offers a more comprehensive suite of tools and services, which may justify the higher price point for some businesses. User experience is crucial in any digital platform. VEA's interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for beginners to navigate and set up tests. VWO, however, provides a more detailed and comprehensive interface, which may be more suited to experienced users. It also offers a unique visual editor for creating custom test variations. In terms of integrations, both VEA and VWO have a lot to offer. VEA integrates with platforms like Google Analytics, WordPress, and Shopify. VWO, on the other hand, boasts integrations with platforms like HubSpot, Magento, and Joomla. Both offer APIs for custom integrations, but VWO's larger list gives it a slight edge in this category. Performance is key when it comes to A/B testing. Both VEA and VWO offer robust performance with fast load times and reliable test results. However, VWO has a slight edge due to its advanced server-side testing capabilities, which allow for more complex tests and accurate results. Security is a top priority for any digital platform. Both VEA and VWO have robust security protocols in place, including GDPR compliance and data encryption. However, VWO also offers ISO 27001 certification, which is a globally recognized standard for information security. After evaluating the evidence, the winner is VWO. While VEA has a user-friendly interface and affordable pricing, VWO's comprehensive feature set, extensive integrations, advanced performance capabilities, and superior security measures make it a more robust platform. However, the right choice will ultimately depend on your specific needs and budget. Thank you for watching our comparison of VEA and VWO. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more comparisons of the top digital tools and platforms. Thank you once again, and see you in our next video.